Ayan guys, hiring na naman po si Mers ngayon ng process export with shipping logistics background po to, export import. Yan, nagmamakaawa yung girlfriend ko na i-post to guys. Ito po yung qualification nila. Must be graduate po. Kailangan po ng Mers ng graduate, bachelor degree, mapa-TRISEM ka or 4-year degree. Tapos must at least have 2 years experience in logistics or freight forwarding or customer service. Yan guys. Tapos yan guys, yung email address ng girlfriend ko, gladys@ortega@mers.com. Tapos ibibigay ko sa inyo yung instruction paano gawin. Yan guys, yung email address ng girlfriend ko, palagay naman sa referral box para makita niya agad at ma-forward niya sa recruitment team. Ito, bibigay ko na instruction paano mag-apply.
Hi guys, ito yung pinakamagandang step kung paano mag-apply sa MERS. Tinutulungan ko pa yung girlfriend ko guys hindi ako taga-MERS. Yan, punta na kayo sa mers.com/careers/vacancies. Yan po yung website nila guys. Yan. mers.com/careers/vacancies. Tapos yan guys, pag nandito na kayo, choose nyo lang yung Asia. Tapos syempre yung country natin, Philippines. Yan, nasa baba yung Philippines Sa mga pwede din mag-apply sa mobile guys. Ayan, may 42 job opportunities daw silang open sa Philippines. At yan, i-click natin yung process expert guys. Yan kasi yung ko dati. Yan. Tapos tignan natin yung job description. Baba mo naman. Ayan, basahin natin yung job description. At yung responsibilities. Yan, ito yung qualification guys. 2 years experience in logistics. Prefer nila import and export processes. Tapos graduate of bachelor degree yan. Siyempre, excellent communication skills. Tapos yan guys, i-click natin yung apply. Tapos ma-redirect kayo sa isang webpage. Etong webpage na to guys, kailangan nyo mag-sign up. So yan guys, paano naman guys, kung mag-a-apply kayo guys, parang naman ng email address ng girlfriend ko, gladys.ortega@mers.com as referral nyo. Para mas mabilis yung process guys, promise, mas mabilis yan pag yan ang nilagay nyo. Yan lang guys, kung magkakailangan din mag-sign up dito. Yan, kung interested, apply na kayo, bye.